What's going on, everyone? Here today with another fast but sweet find. So I found this sweet little first aid kit when I took a trip across the US with my family. Now, because we had a packed car, I was looking for something that was small and compact but gave me my bang for my buck. Man, when I saw this first aid kit had 5 stars out of over 46,000 reviews, I had to get it. Now, it's weighing in at about 1 pound and has over 299 pieces. It also comes with 5 different colors. This little guy has already come in handy for me. It's great when you're out and about with the kids who seem to attract boo-boos like crazy, and I gotta be honest, it saved my life several times. But for reals, this first aid kit is ideal for first aid care from home, travel, on the go, and not to mention, guys, it's great for your bug out bag. Now, the essentials for this first aid kit contains supplies for treating common cuts, scrapes, aches, and pains. It has this clear plastic liner in a nylon case for organization and quick access to the first aid supplies. It's also lightweight and easy to carry and comes with an emergency first aid guide. As you guys can see, it comes with fabric and plastic adhesive bandages for minor cuts, abrasions, and puncture wounds. It comes with burn cream in a cold pack. It cools and soothes minor burns, sunburns, and abrasions. There's temporary relief for minor aches and pains associated with common cold, headaches, muscle aches, and arthritis. Here's a more detailed list of what's inside as well. As you can see, lots of band-aids. And now, how much is it? 20 freaking bucks. Not bad for 20 bucks, guys. For 20 bucks, you're getting, it's great for your car. It's great to have at home. It's great to have in your bug out bag. Like I said, it's just great to have for that fast go-to first aid kit. Guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to be notified for any future videos. What can I say? Man, that's sweet.